Math 1 EOC Practice Test number 17. This one takes up quite a bit of space, so we may have to scroll up and down a bit. Samantha owns a local ice cream stand. She recorded the high temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit and her ice cream sales in dollars for 8 consecutive days. Her results are shown in the table and scatter plot below. Alright, so if you look at the table and the scatter plot, this says temperature. So the temperature is in Fahrenheit and ice cream sales is in dollars. So they took this table, used it as ordered pairs, and graphed it on the graph below. So you can see ice cream sales here is your dependent that depends on the temperature here. So you can see how it gradually goes up. It looks like as the temperature goes up, ice cream sales also rise. So it says write an equation to represent the line of best fit for this data. All right, line of best fit. So that means we're looking for a linear equation. And it says round to the nearest tenth. So make sure that you round it to the nearest tenth. All right, so I'm going to use my calculator to do this. So when I pull up my graphing calculator, I'm going to go back to the table. So if you go to the table here, the points are already given, okay? So you're going to go to Stat, and then we're going to edit because we want to enter numbers in our list. So go to Edit, and to save a little bit of time, you can see I've entered these numbers into the list. So 84, 72, 85, all the way down to 93, and then I've got 212 all the way down to 230. Can't see the last one, but they're all in there. All right, so once you have that, you're going to go back to Stat, and now we're going to calculate. We're going to calculate a linear regression because it said a linear, a line of best fit. So we can go down to number 4 and hit Enter. And then it's pulling from list 1 and 2, that's correct, and we just want to enter through that and hit Calculate. All right, so if you enter the numbers in your table, your calculator will give you your equation. So your equation, you can see at the top, y equals ax plus b. And then before I write all of this down, I'm going to scroll down into the space provided. So let's see, if I scroll down, it says write an equation to represent the line of best fit round to the nearest tenth. All right, so I was writing this out first. Y equals ax plus b, and it gives us a equals 4.7. If I round it to the tenth, it's 4.7, and b equals negative 214.3, because 2.7 would round to 0.3. All right, so all I have to do is plug in a and b. So I'm going to say y equals 4.7x minus 214.3. All right, so your answer for number 17, y equals 4.7x minus 214.3.